Hey, what's going on everyone? Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G has been spotted on some online portals. So in this video we'll be discussing about what we know so far about Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, like its launch date and specifications. So without a further ado, my name is Sovik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G has been allegedly spotted on Geekbench. Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G series is largely expected to launch in China on November 26. Ahead of the rumored launch, a Xiaomi phone with the model number of M2007J17C, believed to be Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, has been spotted on Geekbench. The listing tips key specifications of the phone and also hints that the company is working on the handset actively. The Redmi Note 9 series has already launched in global markets including India, but did not see an unveil in China due to the current 5G push in the region. The Redmi Note 9 5G series is now speculated to launch in the country with different specifications than the global models. A Xiaomi phone believed to be the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G has been spotted on Geekbench with the model number of M2007J17C. This is the same model number that the phone is listed on TINA, and the Geekbench site hints at Android 10 software and roughly 8GB of RAM. The listing suggests that the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G has a Goguin Pro processor that is likely a code name. Digging into the code, tipster Mukul Sharma tweeted that the SoC is attached with Adreno 619 graphics. This suggests that the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G could be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G SoC. Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G achieves a score of 645 in single-core testing and a score of 1963 in multi-core testing. Xiaomi is yet to officially announce the arrival of the rumored Redmi Note 9 5G series, and with leaks pouring in at this speed, the company is expected to make an announcement soon. Redmi Note 9 5G is expected to launch in global markets as Redmi Note 9T. The latter was also spotted on Malaysia's SRIM certification site, lending more weight to the possibility. As for Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, it is listed on TINA with the same model number M2007J17C and is tipped to feature a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, up to 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. It is also speculated to have a 108MP primary camera. So this is everything we know so far about Redmi Note 9 5G series. So some of the leaks might get true and some might not. We'll just make a special video on this when we have all the confirmed details about this phone and this series. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about this Redmi Note 5G series in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.